I've made shrimp scampi several times, and let me tell you, it's all about the timing. If you want that shrimp to be nice and juicy, you have to learn how to make it the proper way. Well, today, I'm not only going to show you guys how to make it, we're going to perfect it. So if you're with me, stay tuned, and also like this video if you enjoy it, if you find it helpful. Also, if you're new here, I would love you to be part of the family. Hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. To begin, I have my shrimp nice and dry here. As you can see, I'm patting it dry. You want that shrimp to be super dry so the seasoning can stick. Now let's drizzle some olive oil on the shrimp, mix it up, and now we're going to season it. I'm using salt, pepper flakes, ground black pepper, and a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning that I'm still working on, like I said, very lightly. You don't need to season this, over season this, okay? There's other ingredients that's going in. You don't want to make it too overpowering with too much seasoning. And there you go, your shrimp is nice and seasoned. All right, now it is time to cook the shrimp. This is the part you have to be really careful not to overcook the shrimp. So we add a little bit of oil. I'm using olive oil. Now let's add the shrimp in. We're going to cook the shrimp for about 1 minute. As soon as they starting to turn pink, we're taking them out, okay? Don't overcook these at all. Let's flip them over. All right, as y'all can see, the seasoning is actually sticking on the shrimp. That's what we wanted. The shrimp is not literally naked. So every bite of this shrimp will be absolutely flavorful because of the seasoning. So now I'm going to flip them over. As you can see, they are looking gorgeous, nice and pink. Going to flip them over. This is what we're looking for. All right, it is time to take the shrimp out. Literally 2 minutes. 2 minutes, it's out. Looking gorgeous, smelling amazing. Ooh, yes. Turn that off. Perfect. You'll see this? Beautiful color. Now in the same skillet, go ahead and add 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, okay? Keep that in mind. Unsalted butter going in. Now I'm going in with my garlic. You don't want to fry the garlic. Once it starts to fragrance, it's ready. Add your shallot. Cook that for a little bit. Ooh, smells so good. Now you can go ahead with your wine. I'm using about ½ a cup of Clos du Bois Pinot Gris dry wine. Oh, you want to deglaze the bottom of that skillet. That's why I'm adding it gradually. For the rest of that in, also we adding some lemon zest for that deep lemony flavor, a more richer flavor of that lemon. Also we adding a little bit of that lemon juice in. Oh, yes, yes, yes. If you want restaurant style shrimp scampi, this is it right here. Going in with a little bit of that juice. Yes, yes. Perfect. Quick mix. Now you can taste it for salt and pepper. It's good so far. I'm going to add my spaghetti now. So let's not add the salt yet after the spaghetti. Now I'm going to boil my spaghetti. Actually, I'm using angel hair because I like them better, okay? Especially on shrimp scampi, they're the best. I'm using about half of the box because spaghetti goes a long way. A whole box is a lot. So if you're not making too much, don't waste your money. You know? So I'm using like half a box, adding some salt, and we're going to let it boil for about 5 minutes. All right, guys, my spaghetti is ready, and I'm going to add that right in. Woo! This is 2 servings, okay? You and your man, I don't know. Let's go ahead and add that shrimp in. Looking good, looking good. And we're going in with some fresh parsley. Looking good, looking good. Oh my gosh, smells amazing in here, y'all. And of course, I wanted to add a little bit of salt and pepper because I was waiting before I added in. So it looks good, y'all. It looks good, it smells good, garlicky. You can smell the wine, like it smells like a whole restaurant in here, okay? Let's add some freshly grated Parmesan. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, that looks so good, y'all. So good. I wish I can give you a plate right now, but you're gonna have to experience this for yourself and actually make it. Give it a nice mix all together. And we are ready to dive in. This is my lunch, y'all, with a nice glass of red wine. Yep, and the kids are at school, so we're having a me time. Anyways, let's plate this. All right, guys. Woof, that looks so good. I'm telling you. It smells so amazingly delicious. Let's try it. Wow. 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 This, where are you gonna find this? Not at any restaurant. When you can make this at home, why are you wasting your money? The shrimp is juicy. The noodles, they're nice and buttery and silky. So good. You got a little bit of that Parmesan cheese with the fresh parsley. All I'm missing right now is some garlic bread. Anywho, and this is how you make the perfect shrimp scampi every single time. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to give this video for me if you find it helpful. If you're going to try it, give it a thumbs up for your girl. That's how you can support me, right? Click the thumbs up button. Also, if you're new here, I would love for you to be part of the Island Vibe family. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.